Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix that confusing error 87 when you were trying to run a DISM command on Windows 11. Usually it says something like, the parameter is incorrect. Now don't panic, this almost always means there is just a tiny typo or a spacing issue in the command you typed. Let's jump right into it. So the absolute most common reason this happens is simply missing a space. Windows command prompt is very picky about grammar. If you mash all the words together, it gets confused. When you type the command, you might be typing it like this, DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. If you do that, you will get error 87 every time. You have to treat the forward slash like a separate word. You need to put a space before every single slash, so it should look like this. DISM /online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. Go ahead and try typing it again with those spaces included and hit enter. Chances are that will fix it immediately. If your spacing is perfect but you are still seeing error 87, it might be that you just don't have the permission to run the repair. Go ahead and close the window you have open right now. Click on your Start button and type CMD or Terminal. Now don't just click it. You want to right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If a box pops up asking for permission, go ahead and click Yes. DISM is a powerful system tool, so it absolutely requires this admin mode to work correctly. Try the command again in this new window. Finally, if you just want to be 100% sure you aren't making a typo, the best way is to copy the command directly rather than typing it. I will put the exact command in the description of this video for you. Go ahead and copy it from there. Then come back to your black command prompt window. To paste it in, you usually just need to right-click anywhere inside the window or press Ctrl+V. Once it's pasted, hit Enter. Since you copied a perfect version, error 87 should be gone and the repair process will start running. And that's it. Usually it's just that sneaky little space bar causing all the trouble. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.